This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Union Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region, donor, Jitendra Singh said there are many unexplored potentials in the Northeast and one of them is bamboo cultivation, as 50% of the produce of the country comes from this region. Northeast may be the biggest storehouse of bamboo, but its market extends all over India, Singh said, while inaugurating the Cane and Bamboo Technology Park cum office premises of Cane and Bamboo Technology Centre, CBTC, at Bernihat. It is up to the people how to utilize it and become a source of livelihood for the youth, he said. The 15th Finance Commission Chairman N.K. Singh has urged the Sikkim Government to increase its own revenue base by undertaking development projects in various sectors, including tourism and power. Due to sparse owned resources, the state depends heavily on transfer of funds from the central government, he said. Out of all the states, Sikkim has the third lowest tax revenue in spite of having the second highest per capita income, he told reporters in Gangtok. About 75% of its tax revenue receipts are from the central government, he said. Sikkim should undertake development of tourism sector with a focus to woo high-end tourists, Singh said. A two-day regional consultation between the Northeastern Council and the UNICEF to deliberate on regional strategy for public health preparedness for response in Northeastern region began in Shillong yesterday. The meeting was attended by senior officials of the NEC and representatives from UNICEF. NEC Planning Advisor Calvin H. Khasi said, people are living in an age of multiplicity of natural disasters and there are unique challenges in the context of the Northeast for the health sector. The strength of the Northeast is its local communities, as a lot of work in times of emergencies is done by them, he said, adding that it is imperative to include them when planning and programming. The regional consultation is an effort to promote health sector preparedness for response in the northeastern states. Urban Affairs and Information Technology Minister Hamletson Dohlin held the third systematic review meeting at Maukarwat, southwest Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, with officials of different departments in the district. Addressing the gathering, Dohlin said that southwest Khasi Hills has a lot of potential in tourism as it has lots of tourist spots. He said that road is one of the major issues of development in boosting tourism in the district, and he assured that he would try his best in promoting tourism in the area. With regards to the 100-bedded hospital, which is pending for many years, Dohlin said that it is very important to complete the project and make the hospital functional, as health care is very important for the people of the district. In Meghalaya, the district magistrate and the election officer of East Khasi Hills district said the model code of conduct has become operational in the state following announcement of the conduct of by-elections to the 26 Shella ST Assembly constituency, which will be held on the state on the 21st of next month. In this connection, the Election Commission has directed to check bribery of voters during the conduct of any election and ensure the voters exercise the franchise freely and fairly without fear or inducement. The Election Commission has issued a warning to Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Heck and the Health Department not to violate the Model Code of Conduct, which is in force in East Khasi Hills District, Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Karkumar said. The Model Code of Conduct was in force in East Khasi Hills District after the Election Commission on September 21 announced that the by-election to the Shella Assembly constituency in the district will be held on October 21. Karkumar said he has issued instructions to the returning officer of the Shella Assembly constituency to hold meetings with political parties and government departments to remind them to strictly follow the MCC during the by-election, the CEO said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.